Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle vlogs. Today we are kicking off part 3 of the all fall series. If you haven't seen the first 2, I will add a little card up here. Don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. All right guys, let's get into it. Look, Amazon just delivered all of this. I'm so excited because I know that my Halloween stuff is in here, so let's see what came in. So in video 2, I showed you guys this shirt. It has a collar and button down for Darren's Joe Exotic, and I told you guys we were waiting for a second one. So here is the second shirt. It just came in, another collar button down, but obviously a lot more simple than this one. So he's gonna be able to choose between those. And then here's the black baseball cap I was telling you guys about. Tonight's Halloween movie is the animated version of Addams Family. Rocking my jack-o'-lantern socks today. Boop, 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 boop. But I thought I would do a quick little review of the 2 different Addams Family movies. So the original one with like real people, and then the 2019 animated one that I just watched last night. So they have completely different storylines. The original one with real people, that one's like, is this guy Uncle Fester or is he an imposter? And the second one, the animated one, there is a home makeover reality star who's trying to get them kicked out of the neighborhood. So that one is definitely a lot more geared towards children. I mean, animated, probably could have guessed it. It was still good, but I definitely prefer the original one with real people. Found the jackpot. I just found these 2, and I think this is the one I'm going with because I really like the stem and it stands up pretty well. I decided that I want to make some spooky white jello shots. So I ordered this white jello mix off of Amazon. The brand is Easy Gelatin Shots, and it is pina colada flavored. So to go with that, I decided that I'm going to use some Malibu rum because the flavors are just gonna go really well together. I've made this before and it's amazing. I'm just gonna get started with drawing little ghost faces on here. If you saw my video last year, my last Halloween one, I made actual like ghost shaped jello shots, but they were so hard to get out of the little like silicone molds. So this year, I've decided that I'm just gonna try drawing it on here, and then because the jello mix is also white and then this is white, I'm hoping it's just gonna be obvious that they're ghosts. Something like that. So now I'm just gonna do at least a dozen of them, and then we'll go from there. I'll make more if I need more for the amount of liquid I have. They're turning out pretty darn cute. I am doing 2 cups of hot water. And then I'm gonna mix in the entire package of the Jell-O and mix until this is dissolved. I'm gonna do 1 cup of Malibu or any type of coconut rum you like. And I do 1 cup of cold or room temperature water. We're just gonna mix a little more. I'm just gonna use an empty one of the same type of cup. I'm going about 3/4. This batch made 18 of these jello shots. Again, they are 3/4 full. And these are pretty large cups. If you wanted to do single ounce ones, it would give you a lot more. But look how cute these little ghosts are. So these are the Reese's bats that I wanted to make, and I wish I looked beforehand because I bought the regular size and they need to be the tiny ones wrapped in foil. And then I found these in my baking cabinet, so I think that would make it really cute, just like these, but I don't know, these might be too big. I'm super sad. All right, I have my Oreos and I'm gonna try to break them in half. That's all right. I wonder if I try cutting them. Oh, okay, that works. Okay, that works a lot better. I guess I have to eat these. We have our Reese's. Maybe put frosting on the back. Okay, so here it is so far. And then I got little toothpicks so I can put just a little bit of frosting on the back of the eyeballs. I actually really like these. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm making more. Just so cute, I can't even handle it. I just finished them. Look how cute. I used one whole bag of the Reese's and that was all I bought, so this is the final product. Jell-O shots are almost completely solidified. I'm about to head out to my friend's house. We are doing our annual pumpkin decorating and I'm finally wearing the orange sweater. Yes, finally making its debut. I French tucked it like I wanted to. These ripped black jeans are from Abercrombie and I'm wearing those black heel boots that I showed you guys in, I believe, the first fall video. And I will link it below anyway, but if you want all of the links, check out the first video. And this is the medium, so the medium did finally come in if you saw the second video, and it's a lot looser around here, which I like because it looks better for the French tuck. And the arms are a little roomier because the small was pretty fitted. I mean, I could definitely still rock it, it just wasn't the look that I was going for when I bought the sweater. So I'm a lot happier in the medium, and I folded down the neck because it was just a little too tall. It looked like I had no neck, or I don't know, it looked weird. But yeah, this is the fit and I'm ready to head out. We just got our final delivery of Halloween stuff. I got tiger ears and the tail, the white button-down shirt for Men in Black, and then my second tiger print dress. So this one has little shoulder pads in here, and it's like a V-neck, and it pulls to the left side here, and then it has this like flap, so there's like a slit, also long sleeve like the other one. And I think that I'm gonna like this one better. Here is dress number 1. It has this little, I guess it kind of goes into like a diamond, and I'd wear it with these tall heels. And the ears, I'm not really feeling it. They are way too orange for this, and I just don't find this to be a very flattering dress. And then the tail is something else. The tail is on a string. It's on an elastic string. I couldn't fit it over my butt, so I had to go over my head. I don't know how I'm gonna get this off, honestly. But I don't find this very flattering, so I'm gonna try the other dress on. I like this dress a lot more. I just find it to be much more flattering. Overall, like the V-neck and like the fact that this kind of like moves about. I'm definitely gonna have to wear shorts under here because we're getting a little risque, you know. But I think that this is gonna be the better look. The ears are just so orange, I don't even know that I want to wear these. I'm not the biggest fan of these shoulder pads, but beggars can't be choosers, and this one is definitely more flattering than the other one. If we end up going with Men in Black, I just have this black express suit that I'm gonna wear, and then the white button-down shirt and black tie. And then other than that, I'm gonna make the little like lanyard name tag thing, or like badge situation, and I would just make that, just go to Joann's and kind of print things out and attach them. So nothing too wild. So we don't know if we're gonna end up going with Tiger King or Men in Black. We really just can't decide. We're gonna have to decide like day before, day of. But if you think you know which one we're gonna go with, place your votes below. I'm voting for Tiger King, but honestly, Darren is going to make the final call in whatever he feels most comfortable in, because I am definitely the more comfortable one when it comes like dressing up and doing buck wild things. So we're gonna try to keep him in his comfort zone. So place your comments below. In video 4, we'll find out who is correct. But for now, I'm going to change out of this because I look like a weird cat.
all good things must come to an end, and part 3 has as well. I have decided that I'm going to make one more all fall video, so there will be 4 total. I've also decided that I am going to be doing the all winter videos. So after part 4 comes out, I'm gonna go back to regular content for a little bit, and then end of November, beginning of December, we are gonna start the all winter videos. If you have any ideas of like things that you want me to do in the all winter videos, I would absolutely love your guys' input to help make these as interesting and entertaining to watch as possible. So if you have any ideas, let me know below, or if you're just enjoying the fall videos, I'd love to hear from you guys as well. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're still watching, clearly you're enjoying it here on my channel, so join the family, hit the subscribe button, and come along with me on this journey. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.
Talk to me, baby.